Once upon a time, in the heart of Moscow, lived a big, kind bear named Misha. Misha lived near the famous Red Square with the beautiful St. Basil's Cathedral. Misha wasn't just any bear. He had escaped from a circus and found a safe refuge near the Red Square. He admired the landmarks, especially St. Basil's Cathedral with its colorful domes. One morning, Misha noticed something strange. The onion domes of St. Basil's Cathedral had lost their bright colors. They were now a dull, sad gray. Even more puzzling, the bells that usually rang cheerfully from the cathedral were silent. The lively sounds that filled Red Square had vanished. Curious and concerned, Misha sat quietly on a bench near the cathedral when an old, wise babushka pigeon fluttered down beside him. "Why the long face, young bear?" the pigeon asked. "I've never seen St. Basil's so dull and quiet," Misha said, concerned. "Do you know what happened?" The babushka pigeon nodded slowly. "Ah, it is the color chime inside the main dome," she explained. "Long ago, it was a magical crystal that kept the cathedral lively, bright, and full of music. But now, it has been silenced by sorrow," the babushka pigeon continued. "Sorrow?" Misha echoed. "How can we make it sing again?" To reawaken the color chime, you must bring 3 things that represent the true joy of Russia, the wise pigeon said. First, the beautiful pattern from a Matryoshka doll. Second, the cheerful music from a balalaika. And finally, the warm, comforting smell of freshly baked black bread. Misha thought for a moment and then smiled. "I will find them all, no matter how far I must go." His first adventure led him to a small shop in Moscow, where colorful Matryoshka dolls were displayed. Misha carefully chose a doll, painted with bright reds, yellows, and blues colors as bright as sunshine. He took the pattern from the doll surface. Next, Misha followed the sound of cheerful music dancing in the air until he reached a street musician playing a balalaika. The balalaika's strings sang lively tunes, filling the air with joy. The musician happily gave Misha a tiny wooden balalaika to carry the lovely music with him. Finally, Misha's nose led him to a bakery where the warm smell of freshly baked black bread wrapped around him like a cozy blanket. The baker smiled and offered Misha a small loaf to take along. With all 3 treasures in paw, Misha hurried back to St. Basil's Cathedral. The babushka pigeon was waiting on a ledge near the main dome. "Now, place each gift on the crystal," she instructed. Misha carefully touched the crystal with the Matryoshka pattern, and instantly, shades of red, yellow, and blue began to glow inside the dome. Then, with the sound of the balalaika, the crystal hummed a lively tune, echoing through Red Square. Finally, when Misha held the black bread scent near the crystal, a warm wave of golden light spread from the dome. Suddenly, the onion domes burst back into their bright colors. The bells began to ring joyfully, ringing out over the central square. People nearby stopped to smile and clap, welcoming back the happiness to the famous cathedral. The babushka pigeon nodded wisely. Misha felt so proud and happy. From that day on, the colorful domes and the cheerful bells of St. Basil's Cathedral never fell silent again. And Misha? He found a new home where he was loved and where the city's joy was as bright as the shining flames of the onion domes.